this video, we review this product and why this product is the best options in the market right now. First, let's see the specs of the product.
We've been around the job site for almost 100 years. We didn't just invent the worm drive. We invented the SKILSAW. We've built our reputation on the cut, and now we're putting it all on the table. The world's first full-size table saw with worm drive gearing. So the question is, with all this power and performance, what will you bring to the table? SKILSAW. Heavy-duty worm drive table saw with stand. SKILSAW. Stay true.
Why we like this product. And these are rating for this product.